Good morning to all. Pleasure to welcome Governor of Tripura sir to our center. It's not PRPC center. We are able to explain PRPC is mainly involved in production, collection of latex and processing of the steel. And it is sent to the market of commercial and it is distributed whatever benefits to the beneficiaries. So we have entered into one of the world. This has been continuously updated. And we have a beneficiary, our beneficiary farmers who have been part of the center giving us what so initially they are asked to give the plantation from the state and now we are collecting latex daily and we collect the latex and process it and we will pay the money. All the money is paid to the account and the party. So every month we declare the price depending on the market. So every month we will give the bank account value. Sir, before we start the instruction, I would like to listen the Honorable Governor, Mr. Governor and Officer. Thank you. Sir, to start the interaction, so if you can ask anything, sir, try to answer language.